Algebra 2, Target 12. I can divide polynomial expressions. Today's focus is on synthetic division. Yesterday, when we did polynomial division, we did division example, x cubed minus 2x plus 5 divided by x squared minus 7. And it was simply a matter of doing the long division, dividing it out like you would numbers, except now using variables. Well, today we're going to get a special case where we can use a shortcut. We can do synthetic division. It's very, very similar to synthetic substitution, where you're actually going to be dividing without dividing. All right? And we can use the shortcut only in certain cases. This is an example right here where you can't use the shortcut. You're going to have to do the actual long division. An example where you can use the shortcut is right here. And you're dividing by x minus a number. That's the only time you can do synthetic division, is when you're dividing by x minus a number. And to do it, basically, you use synthetic substitution. You put your coefficients down, and in the box, or outside the box, depending on which method you're using, you put the number that's being subtracted on the bottom. So here we're dividing by x minus 2. So we put 2 there, and really you'd use synthetic substitution for 2. This right here is your remainder, and this is right here is the coefficients of your answer. So to do it longhand, or to do it, what we would do to write our answer, remember this is x cubed, this is x squared, this is x, and this is our constant. Well, when you divide, remember you always power down, so this would be x squared. This would be x, and this would be our constant. And right here's our remainder. So our answer when we do this is 1x squared plus 7x plus 7 plus our remainder over our divisor. Right? So let's try this. Let's do these synthetically now. So, divide 2x cubed plus x squared minus 8x plus 5 by x plus 3 using synthetic division. Now, I thought I just got done saying you got to do x minus a number on the division. Well, we can do x plus as long as you think of it as x minus a negative. So we're subtracting negative 3 here. So to do our synthetic, we're going to write our coefficients out like before. Again, if there's a, excuse me, if there's a missing power, you fill it in. We put negative 3 in the box, and then we do our synthetic division. Add, 2 plus 0 is 2. Multiply, 2 times the box. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. We'll add. We'll multiply. We'll add, we'll multiply, and we'll add. So these are our numbers. Our answer, if this is a third power, this will be the second power. So our answer is 2x squared minus 5x plus 7 plus negative 16 over our divisor, which is x plus 3. So you can see it is exactly like synthetic division, except now these numbers mean something as well, not just that number. All right, so let's use synthetic division here. X cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 1 divided by x plus 3. Again, we should think of that as x minus negative 3. Write our coefficients out, making sure we don't forget one. If there's a missing one, we need to fill it in with a 0. And we'll do our add and multiply. So we're dividing by doing addition and multiplication. Right? Add, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, and here we got 11. So our answer, since this is x cubed, when you divide by x, you get x squared. So our degree of our answer is x squared. So it's 1x squared plus 1x minus 4 plus our remainder over our divisor. One more example. Same thing. Make sure we have it as x minus, and we do in this case. So write our coefficients out. If we're missing one, we would fill it in with a 0. We're dividing by x minus 1, so we put 1 in the box. And then we add and multiply. Add down, multiply. Add down, multiply. Add down, multiply. Add down, we're at the end of the line, so we're done. Our answer, since this was a third degree, our answer will have a second degree, so it's 4x squared plus 5x plus 2 plus 9, which is our remainder, over our divisor. So, in summary, synthetic division is the same as synthetic substitution. You're just now going to use all the numbers in your answer row.